Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how you can create your very own private server on Grow a Garden, and yes, this is completely free. If you find this video tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Begin by opening up Roblox, and from here either scroll down on your homepage until you find Grow a Garden, or just simply type it in your search bar. When you find it, go ahead and open it up. And once you're on the games page, you're going to want to scroll down until you see a servers tab just like so. Go ahead and click on it. Now you should see an option for creating a private server. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this option as well. And then you're going to see an option for server name. I'm going to go ahead and keep mine simple. I'm just going to call it Just Boz, just like so. And then you're going to want to go ahead and tap Buy Now. Just don't worry, this is completely free. After it's created and you're on a screen that looks like this, go ahead and hit customize, and here you can actually go ahead and do a bunch of different things. You can allow or block other players from joining, you can choose which friends can actually go ahead and join, and you can also manually add specific players to your server. Once you're happy with whatever settings you would like, go ahead and click on the Back to Private Servers tab, just like so, and then scroll down again to find your server on this servers tab, just like so. Go ahead and click join, and it's going to go ahead and open up Roblox for you on your own private server. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and make sure that you leave a like on this video and hit subscribe for more simple Roblox tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.